Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display the volume with a moving average on the TradingView website, a simple but powerful way to analyze market activity and spot trends more confidently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your chart so you can easily see both the raw volume and its moving average, all in a style that works best for your analysis. So let's jump right in. We'll start by heading straight into TradingView. Once you've got your chart open, the first thing you'll want to do is add the volume indicator. To do that, look towards the top of your chart and click on the Indicators button. This is where all the technical tools live. In the search bar that appears, just type in volume. You'll see volume pop up in the list. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, you'll see vertical bars appear at the bottom of your chart, representing how much trading activity has been happening for each time period. This is one of the simplest and most used indicators out there, but we're going to make it even more useful. Alright, now that you've got your volume bars, let's fine-tune things so you can visualize the average volume over time. To do that, look for the little gear icon. That's the settings for the volume indicator. Click it to bring up the customization menu. Here you'll see a few different tabs, but what you want for now is inputs. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for MA length. This stands for moving average length, which basically sets how many past bars will be averaged together to form the moving average line. The default might be something like 20, but feel free to change it to 50, or really any number that makes sense for your trading approach. A higher number will smooth out the line more, showing longer-term trends. A shorter number will make it respond more quickly to recent changes. For example, if you want to spot big spikes compared to the recent average, a lower number might work better. But for now, let's put in 50. You can always adjust this later based on what feels most useful for you. Next, let's make this volume moving average easy on the eyes. Click over to the Style tab, which is just next door. Here, where you can really personalize how things look, you'll see the option labeled Volume MA. That's what controls the moving average line itself. Click on the color box and choose any color you like. Some people prefer a soft blue, others like bold red. Pick something that stands out clearly against your chart background. Also, try reducing the opacity by dragging the slider down a little. This helps the line blend in with your chart rather than dominating it. It's a small change, but it can make your setup much more readable, especially if you're watching price and volume at the same time. Now for one last tweak that can make your analysis much more intuitive, let's switch the style to area. You'll usually see this as an option in the style settings, maybe as a little drop-down or a checkbox. Switch it over to area, and watch as the moving average line becomes a filled area, kind of like a soft highlight under your volume bars. This can really help you spot periods when volume surges above or falls below its recent average, almost like the moving average is casting a spotlight on unusual trading activity. And that's really all there is to it. Of course, you can always go back and play around with the settings, tweak the colors, change the MA length, make it your own. Remember, the goal is to build a chart that helps you see the story the market's telling in a way that makes decision-making easier for you. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions or tips in the comments below. I love hearing how you guys customize your charts. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.